In this video, we'll show you how to configure the Xero accounting integration in the web portal. Once set up, the system will automatically send your daily sales totals to your Xero account, broken down by tender type and tax rate. Before you begin, make sure your Xero account is properly configured. This includes setting up your stores, tax rates, and tender types, so they can be correctly mapped during the integration process. It's also a good idea to check with your bookkeeper or accountant to ensure everything is set up correctly. To connect Xero, log into the web portal, click Config in the top menu, then select Integrations. From here, click Connect to Xero. You'll be redirected to a Xero login page. Enter your credentials, then confirm access by selecting the correct organization and clicking Allow Access. You'll then be returned to the web portal to complete the setup. The most important step is mapping your data. This determines where your sales information will appear in Xero. If you have multiple businesses in Xero, select the correct one from the Xero Tenant drop-down. If you only have one, it will already be selected. Next, choose a contact in Xero for all invoices and credit notes. You can select an existing contact or create a new one directly from the drop-down. For full contact management, use Xero itself. Now, select a start date for the integration. This is the date from which sales data will begin syncing. You can choose a pass date if you need to transfer historical data. Next, map your tax rates by matching each one to the correct tax rate in Xero. You can also create new tax rates here if needed. Then, map your stores to the appropriate accounts and categories in Xero. As before, you can create new options directly from the drop-down if required. Finally, decide whether invoices should be marked as paid or unpaid. We recommend confirming this setting with your accountant. If you choose to mark invoices as paid, you'll need to map each tender type to the correct Xero account so payments are recorded accurately. If you leave invoices as unpaid, they'll still be sent to Xero but will remain open until reconciled. Once everything is set, review your configuration carefully. Then click Save and Run Now to begin transferring data immediately, or Save to start the process automatically at midnight. After setup, your sales data will be sent to Xero each day shortly after midnight for the previous day's transactions. You can view all transferred data in the Invoices section of your Xero account. For more information, refer to your user manual. If you have any questions, please contact your support provider using the details in the Register menu or web portal.